Hi everybody, Charlie here, and today I'm going to share with you an unknown technique of how to give a woman clitoris stimulation. This technique is not used by many people, and I really hope you like it and that you use it because it will give your woman incredible feelings. To use the technique, we're going to take two fingers, just like that, these two fingers, and we're going to press on this area right here. This is the clitoris right here, about that high. We're going to just take this area and press. And we're going to sort of like squeeze on the clitoris like this. You can also go up and down like that. And this is going to give her an incredible sensation of pressing from the sides. And most women have never had this sensation or this feeling. So she's probably going to really like it. And maybe even have an orgasm by doing that.